Which pattern could be used to predict 3 to the exponent negative 4? So we have these choices here, and we know that 3 to the exponent negative 4 is going to be the same thing as 1 over 3 to the 4. So when I'm looking at 1 over 3 to the 4, this value should be 1 over 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is 3 times 3, which is the same thing as 1 over 81. So we're going to have a fraction here when we're dealing with 3 to the exponent negative 4. And we can see these patterns are building down towards negative exponents, which we have some fraction. And the only one with a fraction that's quite small enough is going to be choice A. We see here in choice C and D, these are not fractions when we're dealing with negative exponents. When we're looking at the pattern here, we have 3 to the exponent 3 is 27, which is correct. And choice C might be a possibility. Choice B and D are wrong because 3 to the exponent 3 is 3 times 3 times 3, which is not 9. And it's not going to be D either. But we see the pattern here. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 to the exponent 1, which is just 3. We have 3 to the exponent 0. Any base to the exponent 0 is 1. And then we have 3 to the negative 1, which is the same thing as 1 over 3 to the 1, which is 1/3. And when we have choice C, 3 to the exponent 1 is the same thing as 1 over 3 to the 1, which is supposed to be 1/3. We have negative 3 here. Choice C is clearly incorrect. So the only plausible choice is choice A.